What we have to do now is we have to find out the perimeter of these figures. So we have 3 figures here and we have 2 figures here. Now we know that in order to find a perimeter, what we have to do is we have to go one complete round along the figure. So if I start from here and take one complete round along the boundary of this figure, then the distance traveled or covered in one complete round will be the perimeter of that given figure. Now this is a triangle, and if I assume that I start from this point A and travel first from A to C, that is 15 centimeter, plus C to B, that is 12 centimeter, and from B to A, that is 10 centimeter. This will be equal to 15 plus 12 is 27 plus 10 is 37, that is 37 centimeter. Similarly here, if I start from the point A, then A to B is 10 centimeter, plus B to C is again 10 centimeter, C to D is again 10 centimeter, and D to A is again 10 centimeter. Therefore this is 40 centimeter. In this case it was a square because all their sides were equal. In this case, again, if I assume that I start from here, so A to B will be 20, plus B to C will be 8, plus C to D will be 20, and D to A will be 8. This is 20 plus 20 is 40, and 8 is 48 plus 8 is 56 centimeter. Now in this case, again, let's take any point. Let's suppose we start from here. So A to B is 1, plus B to C is 10, plus C to D is again 10, plus D to is 1, plus E to F is 10, plus F to G is 10, plus G to H is 1, plus again 10, plus 10, plus 1, plus 10, plus 10, so that we can find the here. So how many tens we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 10. So we have 8 times 10, that is 80, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 1, so this is 4, this will be 84 centimeter. Similarly we can do here, starting from this point. So A to B is 20, plus B to C is 15, plus C to D is 20, plus D to is 5, E to F is 5, plus F to A is again 10, and this will be 20 plus 15 is 35, plus 20 is 55, plus 5 is 60, 60 plus 5 is 65, plus 10 is 75, so 75 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this figure. So this is the way how we find out the perimeter. Just sum all the length of all the sides, and imagine that you are taking one complete round, and the distance covered in one complete round traveled along the boundary is the perimeter.